Nike ACG Pegasus Trail. And the thing about these all condition gear shoes that really makes sense is that these are so comfortable that you really could wear these anywhere. They also increase the thickness in this shoe, so you have more tech that's used in this shoe. You're gonna have the ReactX foam in the midsole, and the height boost you're gonna gain on these is roughly a little under 2 inches, very shy of 2 inches, because of the amount of high traction on the outer sole. These are thick enough where it doesn't quite feel like golf shoes, but enough where you can notice that these are the shoes that you'll be comfortable in, whether you're running or walking outside.